is your real life persona or character with your character here? With your characters here as the team captain of the Growling Tigers and Yuhaya as the spoiled cheerleader of LaSalle. And on the other hand, I'm sure there are differences as well dun sa characters nyo, real life and dito. What preparations did you have to go through to bridge the gap?
That's a very good question. It's honestly something that I feel that I still need to think about to be able to express fully to you. But so far, all I can say, coming to the top of my head, we have a lot of similarities and a lot of differences as well. Elise has always been, she's always felt like just that side of me, and the more strong side of me, and because of that, I'm also grateful then because she taught me how to be stronger and to lessen that people-pleasing side of me then. She's taught me to be more brave and to show that side of myself more. Other similarities, we both did grow up in a more privileged life compared to others, especially as like an only child, I get more privileges, right? I don't know, I would say that the differences, one of them would be the sporty stuff. I never did cheer. I didn't do too many sports growing up. I would try them out, but I was never consistent with it. But because of Elise, then I'm grateful because she showed me my capabilities. I mean, I didn't know that I could do a cartwheel or like do a front roll in the air. So I'm so grateful to this role, and she's taught me so much, and she showed me so much about myself then. So yes.
For me, kay Sevi, marami kaming similarities. I'm so grateful na yun yung role ko. We're both panganay, very family-oriented, and we love our friends. Lagi kami nandun for mga kaibigan namin. And mapang-asar ako, pero siguro yung pagka-different namin siya, parang yung parang ako konyo siya, medyo kali yung pang-asar niya. So, what I did was, I went to like mga streets, yung mga palengke. I was trying to observe like the people, how they and also, pagkasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko, lalong-lalo na si Jai, sabi ko, bro, huwag ka na mag-English na pag-uusap mo. Mahilig kasi mag-English si Jai kasi. So, lagi kami magkasama niyan. So, sabi ko, bro, tulungan mo ako para gusto ko kasi maging natural yung the way he talks. So, yun, and we both love basketball. I love basketball so much, and I'm really grateful na may basketball scenes rin kami, and super excited to shoot that.
Can I add on? I remembered something. I don't know, it's just small, but I think it's really cute. Elise is a lot more mataray, right? She's more into kikay things and like bags and perfume. I'm as Haya, I'm a very more earthy girl and that spiritual type of person. So that was one challenge for me, but at the same time, it wasn't too much of a challenge because I just had to think about channeling that inner girly part of myself, because I still had, like growing up as a kid, I was very much into those things before I started becoming really into earthy things more. And also what I love about Elise is how loving she is and loyal she is then with her family and with her friends. So there you go.
Thank you so much. We are nearing the end, ladies and gentlemen. Ngayon naman po, Anarina TV. Hello po. Good afternoon. This is for everyone. From your title, Chasing the Wild, ano ang mas gusto nyo? Kayo yung chini-chase o kayo yung nagpapa-chase? For everyone po. Okay. Gusto ko tong tanong na to. Okay, so since dun tayo kanina, dito naman tayo. Ay, nawala si Sir. Ikaw muna, Ida. What
do you prefer? Ikaw hinahabol o ikaw ang nanghahabol? Okay. Do you have a mic for her?
Ako po, gusto ko po ako po yung hinahabol.
Bakit may kilig? Para pong may naaalala ka.
Ay, wala po. Ano lang po yun? Kanyari po, chini-chase po ako ni Theo, ganun po. Ay! Hindi po. Ayun po talaga gusto ko po. Kasi po parang, ganun po talaga na po babae ka. Parang ang pangit kung babae yung maghahabol, diba? So, mas okay yung...
Yes. Okay, thank you. Moving on, no need for explanation. Just answered. Chasing, ano ba yun? To be chased or the one chasing? Okay.
Wala explanation pare.
Wala explanation?
No explanation.
Sige, ako na lang yung humahabol.
Okay.
Pero gusto ko ako naman yung hinahabol.
Ako po, kung may kailangan ko iabot na habulin. Ay, iabot lang pala. Hindi, ano po, chini-chase. Yeah.
Gusto ko yung ako yung naghahabol.
Mas maganda kung walang habulan na nangyayari, di ba? Pero ako, gusto ko syempre yung, ikaw yung pinupursue. Huwag chase, pinupursue.
Direct. Kasama si Direct at Manuel. Kasama natin si Direct at si Brian.
Tinatamad akong tumakbo eh, so gusto ko magpa-chase.
Ako din yung chini-chase.
Chase din po.
For me, being as a guy, gusto ko na na-challenge kami, so nag-chase siguro.
To be chased.
Artista mo siya.
Pinag-uusapan namin ni Christian, parang gusto naman namin, parang, bakit kayo magpapachase? Hindi, chase natin. Palaman siya at saka si Luna.
Wilbert, anong sabi mo? Wolf? I'll chase. Roar.
Ako to be chased. Meow.
Ako same din, to be chased.
Okay, thank you so much. And last but not least, from TikTok and People's Journal, we have Aster Amoyo.
Ang hirap ng finale question eh. Kasi hindi ko alam. Andito ako sa taas, andito ako sa balcony. Of course, I'd like, hi, Heaven at saka si Marco, may utang pa kayo sa aking dalawa. I hope one of these days matuloy na tayo. And of course, looking forward to Haya and Gab. Sa inyong dalawang pair, una-muna kay Marco at saka si Heaven. Kasi natutuwa ako sa inyo. Like, you were the very first one na nilaunch sa love team dun sa Rainy Espana. And here you are, you're still here. The second, I think the second book, Ligway, si Jerome naman at saka si Grisha, right? And this is the third book, si Gab naman at saka si Haya. Now, being parang, since ang highlight ngayon, nakafocus kay Gab at saka kay Haya, anong pakiramdam nyo, considering na of all the love teams right now that Viva has, kayo ang pinakamainit?
I don't know, Tita Aster, to be honest, I guess I'm not putting, not notice or care to it. It's more of, it feels like, alam naman namin lahat na everyone was gonna have their book. So like, you know, I'm actually happy na nauna kami kasi parang yung lahat ng bigat, parang exam lang sa school. Kami nauna, tapos na. So like, you know, the pressure was onto Christian Jerome, and then now it's onto Gabs and Hyacinth. So like, honestly, Heaven and I feel like we're just enjoying the whole thing now. It's less stressful because we have less lines to take care of on set, and we have our own thing going. Like this feels like a recap. Parang every time, parang nakakatuwa lang na makita na dumadagdag yung cast, na dumadagdag yung lahat ng fans sa iba't ibang love team. Parang nag-grow lahat. And yung reporters natin sobrang dumadami lalo. Yeah, you know, super chill lang. Walang ano lang. Kakatuwa nga eh. Dami ko ng banner nakikita kay Harrison. It's cute.
Heaven?
Kasi parang ito po naging pamilya na eh. Alam niyo yun. So every time na nakikita kami, usually may labas after or get together after. Kung hindi man after the work, minsan kung sino lang libre. And so, parang kami naman, ako as being like dun sa first book, parang pag may mga questions sila Haya or noon si Krisha, parang nandyan kami to give advice. And so parang kaming naging mother and father, like sinasabi namin din, pag sa love team, like partners yan, kayong dalawa ang dapat laging okay, kumbaga. Kasi kailangan nyo ang isa't isa. Laging maging magkaibigan or magkaibigan. So, ayun, I'm just happy. And regarding kung sa mainit man or hindi naman, lagi ako nagugulat every time na kami may one time, we went out and kilala kami as Calix and Luna. And hanggang ngayon, kahit 2 years na ba? Has it been 2 years? 2 years. 2 years has passed and we're known as Calix and Luna and nakakataba ng puso all the time. Ewan ko, minsan pag naririnig ko yun, mas lalo ako na-in-love kay Marco.
Disaster. You know, I think the best part of the whole thing, it's going to press cons and hearing what we used to say. Hyacinth was like, you know, how is it working with each other? And Hyacinth was like, you know, it's a safe space. And both of us were like, mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sige, let me hear naman from Haya and of course Love. Kasi this time, si Marco at saka si Heaven are playing support to you.
Honestly, Tita, we're just so grateful na yun nga sabi ni Heaven na we're like a family. And yeah, we have a lot of questions. Siyempre, bago po kami love team and I always ask them for advice and they gave me even kay Chris Rome. And I'm happy na they're happy for us. Like, they're so supportive and especially, di lang sila, pero lahat po ng fans. Like, siyempre, each book, like, iba't ibang storya kami ngayon na po. So, they're like saying they're so excited for us and ganon. And syempre next si Aubrey na, di ba? So it's just like surreal and just moment na kami na po yung mag-delete sa season 3 and we're very grateful of course kay God, to Viva and kay Guay na they trusted us to do this book and hopefully magustuhan po ng mga fans ang gagawin po na to.
Thank you. And of course, let me hear also from Haya.
Same thing. Gab said everything. I don't really put notice to anything like that. All I can say then is that we're very supportive with each other. We are like a family, and that's all that we think about, and that's all that we focus on. Thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, Direk, dito sa mga natitirang love teams or part of this cast, sino sa palagay nyo ang next in line para i-launch sa love team? Is it going to be Wilbert and Bea or Jairus and Aubrey or who else? Direk, sino ang susunod?
Okay, let's pass the mic to Direk. Okay.
Si Aubrey po, tsaka hindi pa namin alam sino yung ay, si Aubrey. Sino ba si Aubrey?
Sorry. Nag-crossover ako kay palang tawanan eh. Oh, sorry. Dami nyo kasi eh. Sorry, Jairus Okay.
So, ayun po. Ayun po. Wala pa pong nire-reveal. So, tayo natin kung sino yung AD Love Team.
And of course, gusto ko lang ihabol. I'd like to congratulate, of course, Heaven at saka si Marco. Because kahit malayo na ang narating nila, nandito pa rin sila para suportahan ang mga kasamahan nila sa